Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will to learn how to make a simple part in here like this. Just start it. Open the SolidWorks and first we can select the front plane, right click and click sketch. We start to make from front plane. So just you want to start to here, make two circle in here and here like this. First set the dimension, hold the circle in here, have all is diameter 14 sorry. So in here we can input 14 millimeter for the diameter. And in the bigger of the circle, in here we can set the dimension in radius is 25, so the diameter is 50 millimeter like this. Then we can select the center line, draw like this, and set the dimension for length. We want to set the center line to this edge and to center line to the circle. So the distance is 12 plus 25 plus 13 is 50. The total is 50. So the distance is 50 millimeter like this. And draw like this, shape like this, line. Okay, select line again, draw like this and this. Okay, ensure this line this line and this line you make tangent like this, and ensure this line and this line is make horizontal. Then we can to set his line to this edge in here. We want to make a half because we want to mirror. So the half of 38 is 19. Just input 19 like this, and this half width is 12. Input 12 first line, and here half the width is 25 meter. Just click OK. Okay, ensure in here we can see in here the total of the height is 50. So in here the half of 50 is 25. Okay, like this. Ensure this line and this line is this line and this line is make horizontal. Okay, and automatically this edge and this is 13. Okay, then we can do trim entities through this line, and this line. We just need a sketch like this and mirror entities, and this mirror. Select this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line, and this line. And mirror about, we can select the center line like this. Just click OK. Trim entities again for this line, and this line. Okay, this is simple. So go to the feature and extrude boss. First, select the contour. We can select this sketch. For direction, we can do reverse direction to here. The total length in here is 50 millimeter. The total depth or total thickness. So just input 50 millimeter. This, just click OK, and see again sketch 1. Select extrude boss again and reverse direction. Select this sketch. You can see in here for the thickness in here, 50 minus 26 is 24. So 24 divide 2 because it's two part is 12. So the thickness in here 12 millimeter like this. Just click OK. Don't forget to make tube like this, cylinder like this. So select this face and click sketch again. convert entities for this circle or this edge. Just click OK and make one circle again. Set the dimension in here. The dimension is have radius 30 millimeter. Just input 30 millimeter. Go to feature and extrude boss again. For the dip in here, we can see in here the total in here and here is 62 minus 50 is 12. 12 divided 2 is 6 because it's two part. So in here have thickness 6 for him. For dip, just click OK. Okay, it's just simple. Then we want to mirror this sketch to here, so just make another plane. Go to feature, click reference geometry and click plane. Okay, for first plane we can select this face, and for distance in here distance is 26. 26 divided 2 is 13. So just input in here 13 for distance to make a center plane like this. Just click OK. We just make plane 1 to mirror this sketch. So go to mirror and mirror face of plane. We select the plane 1 and feature to mirror. We can select the extrude boss 3 and extrude boss 2 like this. Just click OK. Okay, this is simple. We can hide this plane or that one like this. This is simple. So we just to make a sketch like this. Select this face and click sketch again. Okay, select the center line again in here. Ensure we can draw for this point, this center of the part. This. Make it horizontal, and we can set the dimension in here. The center of the hole to this edge is 25, so we can input 25 millimeter for long the center line in here. Make circle again, 2 circle to make a cylinder like this. The hole have diameter or is 18 meter, and the circle have radius 12.5, so the diameter is 25. Click OK like this. This is simple to make line in here. Draw this from this point and this point and this. Okay, ensure this line and this circle click to make tangent like this. Just mirror this line. Use mirror entities. This line mirror about is center line in here. Just click OK. Okay, and we just to extrude boss to convert to solid. Extrude boss. First select contour. We can select this cylinder or this like tube. For direction we can reverse direction to below. We can see in here this edge and this edge have distance is this edge and this edge, 2 cylinder have distance is 12. So 50 minus 12 is 38. 38 divided 2 is 19 because it's below part top and below. So we I can repeat again. In here I have a distance is 12, and here total the height is 50. So 50 minus 12 is 38. 38 divided 2 is 19. So in here the dip or the thickness is 19 millimeter for first step. Let's click OK. And see again sketch 3 and select extrude boss again. Reverse direction to below, select this sketch and this sketch for the select contour. And in here we can see in hand distance this edge and this edge is 26. So 50 minus 26 is 24. 24 divided 2 is 12. So here have deep or thickness is 12 millimeter, like this. Just click OK. It's just simple. So select the reference geometry again and make a plane to mirror in here. For first plane, we can to select this face. In here, in center you have a distance 12. So in here we just to make to center. So 12 divided 2 is 6. So this face to center part we make to plane to center this part is 6 millimeter. Just click OK. And we can to mirror again. To feature the mirror, select this and select this. Select both extrude 5 and extrude 5. Okay, just click OK. Okay, error mungkin maybe you can geometry to pattern. Sorry. So we just to extrude both to in here to extrude. Clear section. We just to mirror to extrude boss 4. Extrude boss 5. Just click OK. And we can hide plane 2 and we can hide this face. Just click and click sketch again and convert entities this circle and this circle or this edge. Just click, go to feature and extrude boss. For direction we can do it first, and the deep or thickness is 19. Okay, like this, like a first soup. Just a simple like this, and just click OK. In simple part we can to change the appearances. We can change the color, select all the feature, can select the color. Maybe in here we can select the purple like this, and select the color again. Maybe it's dark for the whole for the face. This whole, this whole, this whole, and this whole, like this. Just click OK. Okay, it is a simple part like this. How to practice or exercise make simple part in SolidWorks. I hope this help you to practice in SolidWorks. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this tutorial of this material. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.